one again now. Come, why do you mix his money?
What is all this on the floor? What is all this?
Is Isaac home?
Isaac.
Where is that stupid boy?
Oga, he's outside. Wait outside.
You know what? Just follow me. Let's go and find him.
I think I'm just trying to go.
Jesus Christ, Olga. Isaac! Olga. What kind of rubbish is this? What is this? So, you have turned my salon into shrine, right?
Olga, shrine me. Olga, no be shrine, no. This thing now, Amadioha. Now me personally go carry this Amadioha from Ogbu, all the way from Ogbu. You know, say the thing no be for you, but last it's still for you. Understand? For your benefits.
No wonder customers are not coming to you.
Who be this cooker now? Who be this one? Where she from?
You know what? Before I read my eyes now, I want to remove all this thing from here.
And at the work I do. See, I don't manage to kill all the physical rat where they this shop. They remain the spiritual one, and I will kill all of them one by one. It's a gradual process. Work is in progress. Trust me now.
Did I just hear you say spiritual rat?
Yes, now you don't know. They fool your shop. Oh. Hey, you don't know what they do for you. Okay, what's up? Don't be that now. Wait now.
I want to send this idiot to his hairy grave.
You don't know where to talk. At the work I do now.
He's sending him.
I'll do that to you.